In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify one side of your paper in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. I have a document open in Microsoft Word, and as you can see, the text currently has hard lines on both sides of the page. This means that the text is evenly aligned along both the left and right margins, while some of the spaces between words may appear wider to make the lines fit evenly. This type of layout can be useful for certain documents, but if you want your text to have a hard line on only one side, you can easily change the alignment in Microsoft Word. First, click anywhere inside the document. Once your cursor is inside the document, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then press and release the A key. This selects everything in the document at once, so you don't have to manually highlight each paragraph. With all of your text selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Paragraph section, you'll see several alignment options. These options allow you to change how the selected text is positioned across the page. You can choose to align everything to the right. When you select right alignment, the right side of the text will have a hard, straight line, while the left side will have a more uneven or ragged appearance. You can also choose the opposite alignment and move everything over to the left. Select the Align Left option, and the left side of your text will form a straight, consistent line, while the right side will have a more uneven edge. For this example, we're going to keep the text aligned to the left. This creates a clean and familiar layout that you commonly see in books and many other types of documents. The left side remains consistent, making the page easier to follow while allowing the right side of each line to end naturally. Once you select the left alignment option, the formatting will be applied to all of the text you selected earlier. You should now see that the left side of the document forms a straight line, while the right side has a more natural, uneven edge. This is a simple way to change the overall appearance of your document and create a standard left-aligned page layout. Remember that selecting all of the text first allows you to apply the alignment to the entire document at once. After making the change, you can review the page to make sure the layout looks the way you want. If you're satisfied with the result, you can continue working on your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,